Adding jigs and fixtures to your FeatureCAM model. Quite simply, we can go to our add-ins area and we can import Vice. Here we have a simple selection of tooling that we can add. We can create our own via Inventor 3D models if we wish. I'm just going to use the standard ones that are in the library here. We can tell it the orientation of our block, any offset that we need, and also we can choose the positioning of the jaws. We can either automatically use the stock to position the jaws, or we can use a part bounding box, selected solid faces, selected surfaces, or any geometry that we have selected. Once you've made your choice, we can simply hit the import button. It will now reposition the Vice for us automatically and then clamp our stock correctly in the jaws.